MBBS in Germany. Hello and welcome. Imagine studying medicine in a country known for its technological advancement, rich history, and cultural influence. From studying medicine here, you can actually directly practice as a doctor in countries like Germany, Switzerland, United Kingdoms, Spain, Ireland, Finland, and many more other developed countries worldwide. Yes, we are talking about Germany. Today we are diving into why Germany is a top destination for your aspiring medical professionals, from having world-class universities to cutting-edge research programs. Let's explore what makes Germany a beacon of medical education excellence. Hi everyone, I am Khushi Sinha from Higher Education Center, where we promise you to place in universities either equivalent or better ranked than IIT, IIM and AIIMS globally. Now let's get why you should go and consider pursuing your MBBS in Germany. First up, let's talk about some of the most prestigious medical universities in Germany. Starting with Heidelberg University, Faculty of Medicine. This university was established back in 1386 and it is one of the oldest university in Germany, and it is constantly ranked amongst the top medical schools globally. Heidelberg offers a comprehensive approach to medical education, blending innovation and interdisciplinary research. Next, we have Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich, Faculty of Medicine. Known for its strong focus on medical, biomedical and health sciences educations, this university frequently ranks within top 50 globally. Their curriculum integrates cutting-edge research programs with early clinical exposure and providing a dynamic blend of theoretical knowledge and of course the practical experience. The third most interesting university is the Charles University of Berlin. While talking about this university, this institution is renowned for its patient-centered approach to medical education. It ranks well internationally and offers a comprehensive clinical training and robust research opportunities in collaborations with leading hospitals and research institutes. So why should you choose Germany for your medical studies? So here are some of the compelling reasons that will make you a decision to study your MBBS from Germany. Firstly, German medical degrees are internationally recognized, allowing you to pursue your careers or further education globally. The tradition of medical innovation in Germany is profound. From the development of X-rays to pioneering contribution in various medical fields, they have given it all, I would say. German medical education is actually characterized by its extensive clinical training. They have extremely extensive clinical trainings so that students gain practical experience in some of the Europe's leading healthcare facilities, ensuring that they are well prepared for clinical practice. Moreover, studying in Germany offers a rich cultural and linguistic experience, and proficiency in German can open up multiple opportunities in German-speaking countries as well as international organizations. And let's not forget the supportive learning environment we have here with language support to having orientation programs and the extracurricular activities that makes the transition to living and studying in Germany even smoother. So it has given all and it has given you that power. So I could say that in conclusion, studying your medicine in Germany is not just about gaining a medical degree. It is about being a part of a nation renowned for its contribution to science, technology, and of course medicine. With top tier universities and institutions like Edinburgh University, Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich, Charles University of Berlin, all these universities have given you that opportunity and platform to study in world-class education. So are you ready and excited to embark on the exciting journey of medical in Germany? Let me know. Now next we will discuss about the tuition fees and the living or cost of living, I would say, in Germany while you studying your MBBS from there. Tuition fees in German universities are highly subsidized by the government. For studying MBBS in Germany, students just need to pay a nominal fee of around 500 to 1500 euros per year, which translates about 50,000 to 1.5 lakh rupees per year. Isn't it surprising? Yes, it is, and it is actually quite affordable to study in Germany. Talking about the living cost in Germany, so let's discuss what is the living cost and everything in Germany. So it actually varies from city to city, but on an average, it's 700 to 800 euros per month, including your accommodations, transportations, food, and other miscellaneous expenses. Now let's talk about the career opportunities and options after studying MBBS from Germany. After studying MBBS from Germany, students can directly work as a doctor in countries like Germany, of course, Switzerland, Spain, and over 30 other countries, developed countries including UK, without any licensing exam like PLAB. Isn't it surprising? But yes, it is a fact. And another amazing fact is that the average starting salary of doctors in these countries is around 80,000 to 1.5 lakh euros per year, which is again translates into 70 lakh to 1.5 crore rupees. So yes, students can also pursue direct PG in many European countries like Germany, of course, and other countries where the starting average stipend salaries, I would say, is around 50 to 70 lakh rupees per year. So yes, this is a thing that the education is quite affordable and the rewards are high. So to conclude, I would say that studying MBBS in Germany is a very, very rewarding option that opens up a door to work as a doctor in 30 plus countries. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have another country which you want to be discussed, comment down below. If you have any thoughts or experiences, drop it down in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.